recording? It looks like it's recording. Hello there, America. This right here is your purple jiggly buddy. And the camera's moving, it's weird. I don't know what to do. Do I touch it? That'd help a little bit. But anyway, today is the first sunshiny day. And it's damn near the end of April, because Mother Nature's throwing a hissy fit. Let me turn this off here. There we go. So anyway, with today being the first nice warm day of the spring there, your old pal Jiggly used to go out and cut his grass. And there's a tiny roadblock, a tiny one. Because your old pal Jiggly broke his lawnmower last year and was supposed to fix it over the winter and forgot about it till just now. So let me show you what I got going on here. This doodad here, the little flap here that keeps you from cutting off your fingers and toes and stuff, it came off one day when I was out there mowing the yard, and then I ran over the damn thing and tore it all up, and I couldn't use it no more. So before I use it this year, I need to repair that. Now your old pal Jiggly, he's not real smart, but he's resourceful. And what I got here, I've got a plastic tote that I cut the side out right about where the handle is. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to cut it and slide it on those right there and somehow put a pin in it. And then once I do that, it'll sit something like that. And, you know, that ought to be good enough for government work. So, I'm going to grab some tools here and see what I can figure out, and I'll be right back. Hello there, America. It's me. I'm back. See if I can't find something I can put behind that to hold that up better. There we go. That's a little better. I took and I marked right here on the inside the plastic I got from that carry tote where I need to cut. And I have the handy dandy roto zipping rotary tool here. This right here is a Dremel something or other. And what I'm going to do, as I get this wire untangled here, I'm going to kick this on, and I'm going to use this little rotary zip piece, and I'm going to see if I can't cut out this bit of plastic here. Ooh. There we go. Alright, that's not very fortuitous sign right there, is it? That part of it cut. Alright, well, I got more of them little rotary blades there. Wondering if I ain't got the speed set too high. Got that off. Sure you guys would rather watch something besides me replacing these little roto blades. It's actually not technically a blade, I don't think. They call it a cutting wheel, and they're soft. Kind of wish I had an actual blade. It'd probably work a lot better. Alright, I'm going to turn the speed down a little bit. Set it to 3 there, I think. We'll give that a whirl. Apparently number 10 on the speed dial was just too damn fast for this. It's working pretty good at number 3. Well, that ought to do it. Let me bust off the, see that there, got whatever, we're going to try it. Oh, I see what's going on. This little doodad right here is hitting the bolt that's right in the middle there. It's not letting me put it on. Now let's give her a whirl. A little bit more trimming and I think we got it. Broke another blade. I'm going to stop recording because I'm sure y'all don't want to watch me keep changing blades. But this idea is going to work. I'll be right back once I got it all cut. Just a little bit more trimming, like I said, and it's on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to figure out a pin of some kind. I'm going to drill a hole on either end of it, and once I get the pin in it, it'll sit. Just like that. And that ought to do it. I'm going to figure out the pin thing. I'll be right back. Alright, I found a couple little bolts there, and I've got the plastic piece bolted on best I can. I guess this right here is the moment of truth. Let's see what we end up with. I'll trim that off a bit. Yep. This little bit right here in the middle, right there, it's in the way of it flapping down. I'll cut that off real quick, and then we'll try it. Be right back. Alright, well there we go. It's not perfect, but ought to keep the shrapnel down. It seems pretty durable. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. I guess the only way to find out for sure now is to go mow the yard. I'll be back after I do that. Hello there, America. Your old pal Jiggly just got done doing the fastest mowing job on his yard he's ever done. As soon as I fired up the mower, the sky got real dark. Wind started a-howling. Check out the trees outside of your old pal Jiggly's garage here. That wind's just a-whipping. Looks like there's a storm on the horizon. But that real quick repair job your old pal Jiggly did kept him from getting grass in his face. I got it on my shirt and stuff, but you know, that's kind of expected. So we will call that repair job a success, which is good, because my only other idea was to take some duct tape and some cardboard and make one of them little flappy thingies with duct tape and cardboard, and the only duct tape I could find is this stuff. I may as well buy stock in duct tape, because I buy a bunch of it and I never get to use it. It's always gone when I get to it, and I end up with stuff like this, which ain't bad, but you know, I don't want that on my lawnmower. Neighbors wouldn't think real high of me having a bedazzled lawnmower. Anyway, I guess that's it for now. I'm gonna go get me a real quick shower and pretend to be a human being.